Hey Stampers, it's Madeline from the WonderlandStamper.com, and today I am going to show you an awesome product suite that is coming to you early before the new catalog is released, and it's awesome. You're going to want to jump right on it. So I'm going to share it with you today because it is available for you on May 1st, which is right around the corner. So this is the Share What You Love suite. It is products from the new annual catalog, but also it's some products that you can't get in the annual catalog. So it's really worth your while. And there are 3 different bundles, and each bundle comes with something for free. Okay, and more than one thing. So it's an awesome deal. And again, May 1st. So I had to get it because demonstrators were allowed to get it early, which is an awesome perk of being a demonstrator, that you get things at least a month early. If you go to convention, you get it even earlier. So I bought it so I could show you all and show you the awesomeness of it. So I'm going to open this up and show it to you, and if it's not clear enough, I'll put pictures up on the screen, but I think I can show you. Let me just get it right here. So there are 3 different bundles that are with this, and also you can get the new in colors. So this is awesome. You get it a month early. It's like being a demonstrator. I love it. So there are 3 different segments, and you'll see this. The first one is a small kit. So let me bring it up close for you here. So you get something for free in every single bundle. So the lighting's going to get a little funky. I look like I'm in pitch dark here because of this flyer. So for $57, you get one of the new in colors and one of our regular colors, Old Olive, but they're in the new pad formation, so it's awesome. You get a brand new stamp set that's called Love What You Do. It's an awesome stamp set that's so versatile, you'll be able to use it forever. You get a block, you get envelopes for free, so something for free. Then as you move down, so this is a Little More Please bundle. So this one you get 2 different stamp sets, which I'll show you up close and personal. You're not going to want to miss those. Cardstock, the colored cardstock, doilies, a new ink pad, ribbon, pearls, and then you get 2 things for free. So you get an embellishment kit and envelopes. Okay, so if that's not enough for you, which it wasn't for me, I went with the Gotta Have It All bundle. Okay, that's just me to a point. So this came with everything, including the gorgeous designer series paper you can see on there. But the best part is the Statement of the Heart stamp. Could not leave that there. It is so stinking cute. So we're going to get to rip into my package that has everything on this page. I got the new in colors, and I got this entire Gotta Have It All bundle. So as soon as this goes live, I'm going to post this on my Facebook page. It'll be on my blog. So if you're interested in this, check back on my blog, thewonderlandstamper.com. Click on Shop Now. This is all on May 1st, and you'll be able to see these bundles. And you get so much stuff for free, which just rocks. So let's open up my package that has all the goodies in it. I have not opened this yet. I saved it to share with all of you, so it's been sitting here actually for a few days. Okay, so like I said before, they did change their ink pads, okay? So these are the brand new colors coming at you. Blueberry Bushel, so cute. I am going to open this up. Let me see if I have something on hand, probably not, to show you what this new formation looks like. I was actually really excited for this because this is always one of the first things that I address at club, is how do these ink pads open? So I was really glad they changed the formation. So here it is, the classic Stampin' Pad. So let's see. So there's a little tab, do you see that? That you pop open. Hopefully, okay. So you pop it open, it flips up, and then just rolls down. These I did find were a little bit, oh, I just got ink on me. Were a little bit harder just to get into the rails that it needs to get into, but once you've done it a few times, then it's okay. And then what they did was they left a big space here so that you can take one of these stickers, the blank long one, and put it there. So they've seen what we've done on YouTube's where I cut a piece and put it on either side, and they've listened. So I do like that they always listen to our advice and try to make things as good as they can. So now I'm just going to pull it up, maybe, and just flip it down and it clips. So I really like that a lot. Okay, so this is one of the new ink colors, Blueberry Bushel. And I won't open all of these, but I'll just show you. Pineapple Punch. So these are the ink colors for 2018 to 2020. So we'll have these for a good while, so I love getting them early. Grapefruit Groves. This is one of the ones you get with the bundle. Let's see. Lovely Lipstick. And there should be one more color. Let me just... Call Me Clover. That's the 5th one. And I got an extra Grapefruit Grove, so that might be a giveaway. All right, so those are the ink pads for the ink colors. Now let's get into the goodies. I'm so excited for this one. So this is the Statement of the Heart stamp that you can only get if you do it through this Share What You Love time. So it's during the month of May. It's not in the annual catalog. I needed to have this. So this is Stampin' Up! Statement of the Heart. It's what we all live by, and I absolutely love it, and I was really excited to get it. And I'm going to make a sampler frame. I'm like really into these sampler frames now. I'm going to make a sampler frame with this in the center. Okay, really excited. All right, so that was one of the things that we got, and you get it. Let me look before I misspeak. But yes, that was free. If you got the Gotta Have It All bundle, that was free. Look at this. This is an embossing folder, so the paper will look like this when you put it through. I couldn't resist it. I mean, I had to have it. All right, this is the Love What You Do. I love the watercolor look, so this was definitely something that I needed. So this is something that's in the annual catalog, but you're getting it at a really great price because you're getting it at a bundle price with all these things. And this is the one that's in every single one of the bundles. If you buy the smallest one, if you buy the largest one. And I don't know where I was going with that. Not sure. Okay, well, it's a great stamp set. I love the watercolor looks. I love the flowers. Oh, I know what I was going to say. This is in the annual catalog. So for those of you that are in my Stamp 10 Club, we do card competitions. This is current, so this will last through the year. So I'm really excited. This is just a nice way to get it early and get it at a discount. Okay, so Stampin' Up! Heard us. Stampin' Up! Used to do personalized stamps that were awesome, and I was a little upset that they don't do it anymore. But they've heard us, and they made this Make a Difference stamp set that has all the letters. I love this. All the letters in like cursive, uppercase and lowercase. It has like the solid kind of letters. And then it has all of these awesome options down here. Hand stamp by, from the desk of, homemade by. We can do a website. There's all these little accents we can add. I think this is a definite winner. You could make your own, like you can use the Pretty Me label punch and stamp set and make your own little design that you could put on the back of every card using this and that. I'm going to show you how to do that in one of the future videos because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this, oh, I'm making a mess. I can't wait to play with all this. Okay, this, look at this cute little box. Oh, I'm sorry. It has, so there is the Statement of the Heart stamp, what it looks like. This is the Share What You Love embellishment kit. So we got to open this, of course. I can't just show you the box. All right. So inside of this adorable little box, we have some embellishments. So we got some really cute baker's twine, some paper clips and roses. Oh, hang on. Love those. And then some really pretty gold, or actually, oh, they're just like cut through. It's like a paper pumpkin. Like we got a paper pumpkin here. Lots of different tags. Oh, I'm dropping them. Different sizes. And then we got this cute box. So I love that because I could box up a bunch of cards and give it as a thank you gift. Love it. Oh, it's so pretty and shiny. Okay, so that was the embellishment kit. And let me just look. I think that was free too. That was free. So that was one of the things that we got for free was that box. Let's see what else was free. So we got the Statement of the Heart stamp for free, the Share What You Love embellishment kit, and then we got envelopes for free too. So let me pull those out. So we got some regular, big pack of them. Very vanilla, medium envelopes, 40 in this pack. Okay, then we have some doilies. So this is the pearlized doilies. So they're very shiny. I gotta take one out and show you. See what they look like here. Oh, they're like very smooth, and so they'll kind of give a little oh, there it goes. You can see it. Little reflection. Awesome. So I'm showing you all of these goodies, and then this is going to be like Paper Pumpkin, but times infinity. Sunday, for Stampin' Sunday, I'm going to make lots of projects with this and show them to you. So I can't wait. And maybe I'll start with the sampler frame. I'm not sure. So it might not be a lot of projects. It might be the sampler frame, or I might do a few cards. Not sure yet. Okay, this is the velvet ribbon in gorgeous fresh fig. Beautiful. And solid ribbon in, I think this is Lovely Lipstick, if I had to guess. Doesn't say on here, which is weird. Isn't that pretty? Let's see if it says in the pamphlet here. I think it's... Okay, I'm a little confused about that one because it's not in the list here. Huh. I'll have to look into that. I'm not sure. Let's go back to our invoice here. Oh, okay, it's ribbon solid 1/8 of an inch real red. Oh, it was a reward. Real red reward. Not sure. Hey, free stuff. Okay. Then we got some gorgeous paper here. So we have a whole pack of Very Vanilla. And then we got a Share What You Love cardstock pack. 6 sheets of each. So we got my favorite color, mint macaron. Love it. And then it doesn't tell us. So it's fresh fig, old olive, grapefruit grove, and then mint macaron. So there's all the colors in there. Close up for you. Love mint macaron. I was so excited that it came back. Oh, I screamed a little bit. And then we got this gorgeous, oh my gosh, look how cute it is. This is the Share What You Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and this again, and it's huge. Oh, box down. It's okay. It is huge. There is so many sheets in here. 24. Let's pop it open and see what's in here. Oh, I think I just gave myself a paper cut, but I'm so excited I don't care. Okay, so let's flip through this so you can see. Oh, look how pretty that is. Do you see the reflection? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So we get 6 sheets of each. Oh, look how cute. Looks like it's hand drawn. Oh, I love this paper. Okay, this might already be like a favorite of mine. So there's both sides. I'll do it like that so you can see. This is specialty. You can see the shine and then the polka dots. And then here's one. Oh, love that. Look how cute that is. That's reflective too. And the green. And then, oh, there's a lot in here. Ah! Oh my gosh, I love this paper. This isn't shiny at all. I'm definitely making a sampler frame. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Okay, so that was everything from the Gotta Have It All bundle from the Share What You Love. I hope you're as excited as I am. I love it. So there are things that, of course, you can get once the annual catalog releases in June, but there's also things that you can't get. You can only get it through the bundle. So that Share What You, or the Statement of the Heart stamp set, like you can't get that. And it's just, the bundle price is awesome. To get it a month early is even better. Yeah, I would get right on it. I'm so excited to create with it. I did get one more thing. I have seen some beautiful things with this. Beautiful day. This is another one I keep staring at because I want to use it with the blends and things like that. Um, so I'm excited to use that. But that was separate. That was from the like the regular order. So I hope you loved this video. I hope you loved all the stuff that I showed you. I'm so excited to play with it. I need to go play with it now. So for tomorrow, Stampin' Sunday, I am going to do a big project with you. I'm thinking it has to be a sampler frame because this stuff, again, I have to show off all that paper. And that paper cut is actually pretty bad. I was so excited, it didn't matter. I have to show off all the designer series paper, and a sampler frame is just the way to go, I think, with that. And showing off all the stamps. So I think that's what I'm going to do, sampler frame. And then, of course, there are so many different kinds of cards you can make with all the embellishments and things like that. So this will definitely be a kit that I keep using over and over again. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss another video. And stay tuned for Stampin' Sunday, where we are going to use all this awesome stuff and make an awesome project. Thanks so much, everyone. For now, keep stamping, Stampers. Bye.